Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove character spacing and character scaling from your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. And this text character scaling and this text showing here character spacing and adjust and fix all of them. Now click on this edit option, already selected. Now click edit text and this right sidebar panel, click this arrow. Now select your text, drag your mouse, you want to adjust and type here and make it -2 and see this character is spacing adjust. Also select here and make it -3 and see this and make it -5, make it 3 and see this. Also adjust this text character scaling, select your text and make it 100% and see this. Also make it 100% this text and drag your mouse and select text and make it 100% and see this is normal text. In this way you can create and adjust text spacing and character scaling. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and follow.